Gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4. Let's share this video because it's amazing. Today I have a new ROM that I want to try to install on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You can try to install this also on my Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9. The link in the description. What is this ROM? This ROM is here. Noble ROM 3.1 Viable. Okay. This is one with 5.0, and I'm going to install this just to see if it's working, because in the previous video I tried to install but it is not working. As you can see, this is Android 12 ROM 1E4.1. This is what I have here. January 1st, Android security patch level, January 1st, 2023. This is new ROM also, and his name is Noble ROM 2.9. Nice. Let's try to install the brand new fish Noble ROM 3.1. I don't know if it will working, but let's try. Okay, you can try this also on your phone and say to me how it's working in the commentary space. Thank you. Now make sure that you charge your phone and let's go on TWIP. Turn off your phone right now. Power off. Well done. Good. Now it's turned off. Now, what can you do? If you are installed TWIP on your phone, hold this B button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Let's do it. B button, volume up, and power button at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. This is TWIP. What you need to install first. Nice. I have this version 3.7.0.9. Okay, nice. Now, what can you do? Which is simple. You need just to click on whip, just like that. After this, enter yes. Format data. Make sure that you save your data before. Okay. Yes, because you want to format everything. You can read this first. Okay, and if you are ready, let's go. Enter yes. Validate. It will erase your phone, format your phone. Okay, nice. Go again on whip, advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's see what you need to do after, and do this. Nice. Great. Now let's try to restart this phone. Click on reboot to recovery and do this. Wait again. Okay. Welcome back on TWIP. Great. Now get ready. Click on this button, power button, to close TWIP, because I want to transfer this file directly to my phone using this USB Type-C cable. Okay. Nice. S9 Plus is here. Okay, good. Let me do this right now. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. It's connected. Okay, now it's connected. When it's connected, let's just okay. S9 Plus is here. Okay, what to put this on internet storage, just like that. Good. And the transfer process started. Wait a few minutes. Don't disconnect your phone. Wait a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Now into this phone. You can disconnect your USB cable. Okay, nice. And now we are ready to install this ROM. Bro, you can also support our channel with YouTube super things. The link in the description for PayPal also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video and say to me what you think about this. Now, let's try to see if it will working or not. I have 64% of battery. Now I'm good. Nice. Now click on install. And click on install, you can see beautiful. It's connected to your internet storage directly. So okay. Now click on face ROM and follow the instruction. Now let's see what is inside. Beautiful. We see what you need to know first. Okay. You can see security patch level February 2023. Okay. This ROM is compatible for these devices. Look at very well. And we go. S9, S9 Plus, and Note9. I have Exynos version. This is Exynos version. I don't know if this ROM is Snapdragon version, but I want to try to show you. Okay, nice, just to see if it's working. Let's go. You can see change log, everything here for you. You can read by yourself. If you are ready, click here, click on next, and you can see clean install. Next. Welcome. Look at that. Okay, nice. Let's try to see if I can change for something better. I don't know. Nothing down. Okay, let's try. No deployed for me. Next again. Next again. Okay. Call recorder. Call blocking. We see what I want to do. You can choose what you want here. Nice. And next. BSB button to take screenshot is good for me. Next again. You have all of this informations for you. You can read by yourself. Nice. Good. Okay. Next. Also this. Okay, nice. Good. And next. Version process started. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Version. Nice. Perform a clean install. Everything. Process continue. Great. Nice. Okay. Let's see if this ROM will work or not. We need 100%. Okay, great. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Like and share this video. Oh God, look at again. Look at film. Bro, this is the same problem. This ROM not working with my Samsung S9 Plus Exynos version. I don't know if it's work for you in Snapdragon version, but bro, you can see by yourself it's not working here. So tell me what you think about this. I don't know if I missed something. You can tell me everything in the commentary space, okay? How to install, because wow, I will try the next one. Don't forget to go forward. Thank you. Unbelievable.